Okay, today's song is MTA, and I'm just going to read the Wikipedia entry really quick on this one. MTA, often called the MTA song, is a 1949 song by Steiner and Haas. Known informally as Charlie on the MTA, this song's lyrics tell an absurd tale of a man named Charlie trapped on Boston's subway system, which was then known as the Metropolitan Transit Authority, or the MTA. The song was originally recorded as a mayoral campaign song for Progressive Party candidate Walter O'Brien, and became a hit in 1959 when sung by the Kingston Trio. Now let me tell you a story again.